Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're exploring history and culture, two deeply interconnected topics that help us understand where we come from and who we are. Being able to discuss history and culture in English opens conversations at a profound level. History is divided into eras, distinct periods with their own characteristics. Ancient history covers civilizations like Greece, Rome, and Egypt. The medieval period runs roughly from the 5th to the 15th century. The Renaissance, meaning rebirth, was a period of extraordinary artistic, scientific, and cultural flourishing in Europe. The Industrial Revolution transformed society through technology and urbanization. And the modern era has been shaped by two world wars, decolonization, and technological revolution. When discussing history, it's important to think critically. Different people interpret the same events differently, depending on their perspective, culture, and values. You might say, the British Empire had a profound impact on the world, but it's a complex and contested legacy. Or, colonialism brought infrastructure to some regions, but it also caused enormous suffering. The debate about how to interpret that history is ongoing. Heritage refers to the things passed down through generations, traditions, buildings, languages, artworks, and values. You might say, the Lake District is part of England's natural heritage. It inspired the Romantic poets and still draws millions of visitors. Or, preserving indigenous languages is crucial to maintaining cultural heritage. Museums are great places to engage with history. You might say, the British Museum has an incredible collection, but there are legitimate questions about where some of those artifacts actually belong. Today, we covered historical eras, critical discussion, cultural heritage, and the importance of multiple perspectives. History is never finished, it's constantly being reinterpreted. See you next time.